Set, ready for racing. Racing just started. You are my hero. Break quickly at start. Articulo 1 is on the outside. Motorcycle Choice. Then next online is Royal Chica. Then followed now by Kingsguard. Then moving up down on the inside is Victory Choice, while Plenty of Stars is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have You Are My Hero by about 3/4 of a length lead. Muracel Choice in second, running by the release Articulo 1. Kingsguard, Royal Chica is down on the inside. Victory Choice, while Plenty of Stars is still racing in less than another 4 turn. We have You Are My Hero enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Articulo 1 remains in second, then in third now is Royal Chica. Kingsguard is on the outside. Muracel Choice, Plenty of Stars, while Victory Choice is still racing in last. And as they swing to Rome, You Are My Hero by about 2 lengths. Articulo 1 moving up now on the outside is Kingsguard. Last 100 meters, we have You Are My Hero. Kingsguard is on the outside. You Are My Hero. Kingsguard. And finally, it's You Are My Hero. Kingsguard, Articulo 1, Royal Chica, Plenty of Stars. Then comes...
Alright, tayong karerista. Nakita mo naman, Lucky Leia, kung sino yung naging bayani doon, ha? Number 4, You Are My Hero with Albert Volado Serios. Then, masisigundo, malakas yung dating. Number 6, Kingsguard. Then, Articulo 1 and Royal Chica. 4-6-5-1. Banderan tapos. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 4.